We're all used to seeing these sorts of machines to pay for our parking, but, well, their uses are changing. And to tell us more from Metric, I'm delighted to have Joe McManus. Now, I say that their uses are changing. How can they change? It's a parking machine.
So terminals are no longer known as parking terminals. We need to kind of get away from using a single-use machine. So having the ability to pay for other services on the terminal. So whether it be your refuge or pay for a PCN, pay for anything you want it to be. The terminals are actually Android systems. They're PCs in a box, which can now add other services to them.
So essentially you can add other apps almost onto there.
100%, yeah. So again, the machines, rather than actually having to use an app, you can go across the city and pay for another parking service, another extension, for the one you started 2 hours earlier. So rather than having to download an app and open the apps and pay for that, you can do it from the machine themselves.
On the app thing, let me just grill you for a second on this, because on my phone I've got 3, 4, something like that, the well-known parking apps that are on there, and typically I can find the one for the car park I'm at. So why would I move from using the apps, the easy apps that are on my phone, to searching for one of these terminals?
Yeah, so the UK on alone has got 18 different manufacturers, and that's growing and growing and growing. So as we get older, we've got to download apps, our 3G, 4G connectivity. 5G is still starting to come in, and you're using your data to download an app when you can actually do it on the machine itself. And also the convenience charge you're having to pay on top of the app, you're not having to pay actually at the terminal. So it makes life easier and a lot more simpler for you and for the customer itself.
And like you said, you can have one machine in the car park you parked at, one machine at the other side of the city, and you could extend your parking that way. One other thing you mentioned was paying for other services, or maybe gym membership or a gym class, booking that. If you can have a gym class built into this system, as in, I'm going to book for a gym class for tomorrow, how come I haven't seen it yet?
Because it's brand new. It's literally, so Metric are always first innovators that we have been for 140 odd years. We've been innovators in the industry, and not just our industry, in other industries. So what we listen to is our customers, and they say, well, we want to be able to do this from this machine, we want to offer our customers this and that. And we kind of go, okay, well, we can do it. We're a manufacturer. We are a software house. We have our own software, our own manufacturing. And we can develop whatever the customer requires.
Fantastic stuff. Well, there you have it. You won't just be paying for your parking using these terminals, you'll be booking your gym class. There's no escape from the gym now. Joe, thanks very much.